It is 7:30 a.m. Day 3. I'm drinking my methi soaked water right now and it's raining outside. It's 30th of October. I have to clean up. I really have to clean up. Well, I did my laundry yesterday. So right now all I have to do is clean up the floors, arrange the bed. The kitchen is already done. I just have to do a few dishes, the ones that's been used yesterday. And then before taking a shower, I clean up the litter, I clean up the washroom. I think all will be done before 10:30. I'll start around 7:30. Right now it's 7:23. Methi water. Now let's talk about the benefits of methi soaked water. Now methi, also known as fenugreek in English, contains a component called phytoestrogen. So women who suffer from PCOD or like high blood sugar levels, this component will help your body's estrogen receptors become a little bit more active. Now, especially for menopausal women, alright? So, when you are in that stage of your life, when you are losing your ability to become a mother, which has escalated recently. I have seen that the age of menopause has become, like early 40s or something. Now, when you are at that age, you really need aid in digestion, not AIDS. No, not AIDS. I mean aid, help in stuff. Your body needs external support for stuff that it could have performed well independently while you were young. So for that, I think methi soaked water is one of the best natural consumptions you can do to help your body regulate your blood sugar levels, your estrogen levels, and and it also helps in detoxifying your body, also helps in weight loss. So it's all interconnected, all right. So basically methi soaked water is really good for you, especially if you are a woman. Drink it. If you're a man, drink it. Let's talk about it. Why do men think that self-care is gay? Now, self-care doesn't mean that you have to put on masks and sit with cucumbers on your eyes. No, you don't gotta do it. Self-care is literally what it means, like taking care of yourself. I have seen guys, alright, who have, they started smoking from very early age. They started smoking, drinking, doing all sorts of drugs and all, and now they look like shit. Like now they are like what, hardly in their mid-20s, and they already are losing their hair. Their hair is graying. Their body posture has depleted. Their skin looks rough. They look ugly. Don't do that. No, don't do that. Take care of you. Deserve it. If you're working hard, let's talk. Let's talk. Let's do this conversation in a way where you don't feel patronized. All right. I'm not saying that you are a man and since you go out, you work hard, you don't deserve to take care of yourself. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that if you're going out, you should know that the pollution, the sun, it's not good for you. Your hard-earned money should be used on yourself. Alright? So buy a damn sunscreen. Put it on your face, put it on your hands, and then go out. It is fine. When you're coming back, wash your face. If you are not having protein-rich diet, alright, find a way. There are tastier stuff. Even if you're having pizza, make sure that there are like protein options, lots of protein options. If you want to live peacefully, you have to know that you are in control Alright, this is for men, women, whoever is watching this video. Honestly, you are in control. Alright, so you need to understand one thing, that if you want peace of mind, if your ultimate goal is peace, happiness, then you need to act like it. If you see a woman, you need to let them know how man's world works. And similarly, when a woman, sees a man who is a bit distracted, who doesn't know how to take care of himself, who doesn't know, who is suffering from inside, and women get these things. They will understand emotional distress just by a glance. Okay, so if they are trying to help you, take help. That is how the whole world works. Helping is how it works. If I see somebody who is suffering, I will go and help them. Obviously, they need to be ready to get helped, but I will at least try, and then I'll decide, okay, this person is not ready, so I'll not bother them anymore. But you gotta try. You at least gotta try. So self-care, basically, it doesn't mean that you need to put a face pack on or do your manicure, pedicure, get a spa day. Yes, that's just a part of it. You need to be happy first. Okay, you need to wake up and be like, a good day. I worked out, my body is healthy, my mind is healthy, I am happy. Your body comes first. Alright? I'm not saying that smoking, drinking is bad. I mean, it is bad, but I can't stop you from doing that if you enjoy, because I occasionally do that too. But I also make sure that I'm taking care of myself. Alright? And I'm having enough protein. Now, I'll tell you why people focus on protein. Now, let's say, okay, so rice. Alright, rice is like pure carbs, nothing else. It's just rice. If you are doing severe manual labor in your day-to-day life, that is when you need rice. Otherwise, you can have protein. Let's say that you have Bengali chicken, the Bengali chicken curry that we make. It's mostly chicken with potato. You can have it with little bit of rice. Use the rice as a side. Don't use it as the main dish. Alright. When you eat it that way, your body will have more protein. Now, body uses more energy to break down protein, and protein is the one that supports your muscles and stuff. Alright, protein, carbs will just give you energy, but protein is the real deal. So make sure that you are having. So the calculation, basically what I remember is that whatever your body weight is, you're gonna have that much grams of protein. So if right now my body weight is, let me check, before the water fast, though my water fast hasn't started, but let me check. Yeah, right now it's 65.8, right? So I have to make sure that I'm having at least 65 grams of protein. Yeah, that's a lot, but you gotta do that. And while you are having that much amount of protein, whatever carbs you intake, that will fuel you. That is how it's gonna help. And then move your body. Depression can never hit a moving target. Remember. Another thing, don't be in the, okay, now I don't want to see all these nonsense. Okay, oh no, I have started having protein, but you know what I do? I don't have the yolk of the boiled egg. I only have the egg white. Just shut the fuck up. That's not how it works. That is not, the yolk is literally what will help your skin, your hair, everything glow. It is, yes, it is rich in cholesterol, but there are two types of cholesterol. One that comes from trans fat, one that is, that comes from natural products that will help you. For example, the egg yolk is there, then ghee is there. You need to have all these things, Babu. Please take care of yourself. I'm frustrated right now. Anyway, enough. Right now I'll go. It's already 7:38. I'll go. I'll clean my fucking home.
Rainy sushi cuddle time. Rainy sushi cuddle time.
She's the bitch that ran away yesterday.
Rainy sushi cuddle time. Sushi.
Can you hear her purring? She gone. কি চাই তোর কি চাই আরে ওর পেটে কি হচ্ছে ওর বাচ্চা হবে ও তো নিজেই বাচ্চা কিরকম ওবিডিয়েন্ট হয়ে বসে আছে বদমাস ভাই ইউ আর লুকিং সিক ব্রো ইনটু ফিল্টার লাগা প্লিজ
I do not look sick, okay? My eyes compensate for that.
shit
Do you see? Do you understand what I'm talking about? I'm
Eyes the Torah, bro. Oh my god. Oh, blushing. Just stop blushing, dude. The camera is on. Camera.
She keeps flirting with me, by the way.
Fuck. I cannot beat the gay allegations with this bitch. I just cannot.
Okay, you didn't have to say that.
Fucking, we look like, bro. I'm thinking about your boyfriend. তুই শিখাচ্ছিস আমি তোকে দেখতে এসেছি
মানে হাত ব্যথা হয়ে গেছে আমি আর ধরতে পারছি না
ধরছি বেবি এরকম করে তো মা বাবা রেকর্ড করে